Hi there, Wild for Wildlife in Virginia. We're at the 2045 Norfolk HarborFest. This is the parade of boats. We're going to be seeing all sorts of tall ships and boats cruising in at the beginning of the HarborFest. Follow along for a good time. Thanks for watching.
All emergency response vessels assigned to help protect the waterways during HarborFest are reporting to the U.S. Ukrainian federal, state, and local laws concerning water traffic. The spectacular water sprays are provided today by the region's MIRT support services. As a note, the Rosemary McCallum progress of all commercial vessels entering and exiting the Chesapeake Bay. The pilot tower contains the finest dual ARPA radar system ever developed. The original ship sailed for the pilots off the Virginia Capes from 1917 to 1926. Godspeed is a recreation of one of the three ships that brought America's first
That's from Jamestown.
To Virginia Pacific, 1607. The ship's home port is the Jamestown settlement living history. Early 17th century ships and the historically documented tonnage of the original 1607 Godspeed recreation sailing today was commissioned 10 years ago on May 22nd. Towing and salvage. Built by Horace Whaley and designed by Merritt Walter. Her unique design was commissioned to use wind power to help save fuel. This idea was created during the 1920s. During the gas shortage, she sometimes worked as an escort vessel for tall ships. Delaware Calmer-Nickel. The original Calmer-Nickel was one of America's pioneering colonial ships. The Mayflower of the Delaware Valley. Yet, a remarkable story has Festivus for a fleet who will be docked at the marina include Rainbow Chaser, a 40-foot Chesapeake Bay deadrise who has been coming to HarborFest for more than 40 years. She is powered by a Volvo Penna diesel engine and is the fastest wooden deadrise on the Chesapeake Bay, winning workboat racing events since 2006. Her captain is Shannon Gay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sojourner and Devoners trawler Norfolk, and for HarborFest, will be docked on the wave screen behind the waterside marina this weekend, where it's harbor. Up in Baltimore, New York, a special maritime tribute to honor the two Mexican Navy sailors who lost their lives May 17th aboard the tall ship Toronto. And the tragic accident in New York City will occur off Town Point Park, Saturday, June 7th, 10:30 a.m. A traditional mariner's prayer, ringing of the bells, and placing of wreaths off Article where Potomac, frequently docked when visiting Norfolk, will be available for public participation. Draft ideal for beach landings. This vessel is built to transport heavy cargo, vehicles, and personnel directly to shore without with military logistics, the Victory rover, a 95-foot vessel that once served as a crew and supply boat for offshore oil rigs in the Gulf of Mexico. In 2001, Victory rover was converted into a sightseeing passenger boat by Rover Marine Company. She has 3 Detroit VI-271 diesel engines, triple screw with 1,350 horsepower, which allows her to cruise at 20 miles per hour. Right behind that,
Wow.
World War II, and I wouldn't be here if he hadn't come back, so I'm lucky.
coming into view now is the USS Gonzales. Commissioned in 1996, the USS Gonzales is an Arleigh Burke class-guided missile destroyer, proudly home-ported in Norfolk, Virginia. It is a testament to the dedication and professionalism of her crew and the enduring strength of the United States Navy.
I hope you liked our little show of the parade of boats here in Norfolk's HarborFest event 2025. I'm going to have a video of the drone show here coming up later on tonight. Band and this was just beginning here, but we had a great day and I hope you enjoyed the parade of boats. Thanks for watching.